Hey, United Dojos Nation's Crisci here for another Technique Tuesday, and it is Technique Tuesday on the road. You probably could have figured that out by the background, right? Yeah, it's beautiful here on the island, and I have a special assistant today. Traveled all the way here just to do the videos. Sensei Tim Goodhue, my sidekick, is going to be helping me out today. Today we're going to go over a little bit more of the KOSHO RYU concepts we were talking about. The one we're going to do today, it's called DEBANA WAZA, and that means preparatory arts. Instead of waiting until the punch is about to hit your face and deciding what to do about it, we do things prior to the execution of the strike. Meaning if I know there's a threat, body posture, voice, attitude, language, all those things will tell you. Now, the only caveat is this only works against real punches. So it only works against real punches. Someone has to try to hit you, not slow, not a controlled strike. So with that said, Sensei Tim, would you be willing to punch me in the face?
Yes, sir.
I thought you would. Okay. So you put your hands up and throw a real punch. So he's going to step through punch. Yep, that would have taken my head right off. So what I'm going to try to do is manipulate Sensei before the punch is thrown. So I'm going to use something that was originally called the leaning factor by our teacher. It's a way to redirect the subconscious mind. So when he goes to punch, by leaning, creating a false target, also hand deflection, he will throw where I was, or where he believes I was. We'll do a couple in a row. So he punches, there you go. All right, one more? Yeah. All right, are you really trying to hit me?
Yes, sir.
Go over there.
Yes, sir.
Do you believe he's really trying to hit me? I do believe it, because he looks a little angry about what I said. All right, so again, I have to do this with proper Hoshi and Mai, timing and distance. He goes to punch, and I end up going on my way. So that is a simple DEBANA WAZA lead. Now you can go to the outside too. So if he punches, I can end up on the inside, he gets hurt doing that. So I try not to do it. Did you break? Oh no, I broke. All right. So I guess that's my cue to end this Technique Tuesday. That's DEBANA WAZA, the leading factor. Try it out. And remember, if you're not willing to get punched in the face, you're not willing to learn how to fight. I'll see you on the road.